So we've saved the best for the last. So there is a particular logic to it. Earlier in the day, we were focusing more on the technical aspects of our product. Okay. Now, what better way to finish the day than by telling our audience on what kind of conversations to hold with their investors. अगर product में conviction आया है, you've gained product knowledge today and you have to put it to use today, you obviously need to know how to do it. So I have a great panel here to do that with me. I just wanted to start by making a few observations. SIF is new. It's actually a lot more complicated than mutual funds. All of you would agree? Mutual fund तो बच्चा लगता है इसके सामने.
At least the exams.
At least the exam. Okay. And obviously it's not yet widely understood. It has been launched just 14 months back. And your clients have probably heard about it. They're curious, but they don't understand it. And then many of you, before you came in this morning, were unsure about what to do with this product category. And you were in a wait and watch mode. So you didn't know how to position the product. So we are not here to tell you what SIF is. We have already had a host of speakers do that job wonderfully in the day. We are here to discuss how to talk about it in a way that your clients understand and act on. Okay. So let me start with you, Adit. When you first brought up SIFs, what was the client's immediate reaction?
So thank you, Prem, Cafe Mutual team. Pleasure to be here. I agree, SIFs. In fact, the first time I got a call from a friend about an SIF was after he had already put money. And obviously...
So you were a little slow to act. Your friend himself going and investing.
Yeah, because I was curious to understand कि ये करता क्या है, क्यों डालना है इसमें पैसा. But as we all know, like, we are, as our investors have become more mature, they like to sometimes do things themselves. And later we come to know that they've done right or wrong, whatever it is. So we started actually distributing SIFs only in October 2025.
Okay.
Once we were very clear that, okay, what role can this play in a portfolio? And still, it's actually still थोड़ा picture clear हुआ है, but अभी भी picture इतना clear नहीं है कि what role can it play in a client portfolio. So I think for me now, ultimately at least it has become slightly easier that in a client conversation, because अच्छी बात ये है कि अभी so fund managers also, if you hear them, they are talking about risk adjusted returns, right? And until a year back, we did not know the word risk. We were like India will remain a 25p market or 28p market, and we'll keep making money. So अच्छा ये हुआ कि SIF का टाइमिंग इस टाइम पे आया कि क्लाइंट एक्चुअली अब समझ रहा है कि रिस्क को थोड़ा मैनेज करना पोर्टफोलियो में ज़रूरी है. So I think so for me it's actually become a good product to do asset allocation, which because unfortunately of clients' excessive focus on debt fund.
But Aditya, उससे पहले,
Sure.
I just want you to tell me, आपने जब सबसे पहले क्लाइंट से बात किया SIF, उसका क्या रिएक्शन था? अब मेरे को वो उसका जवाब चाहिए.
उनका रिएक्शन ये था कि अच्छा, आई थिंक फर्स्ट रिएक्शन तो सबका ये होगा कि देगा कितना. आई थिंक द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इज ऑलवेज दैट कि देगा कितना. आई थिंक विदाउट फेल. सो यू रियली नीड टू गो डीप इनटू. एंड आई थिंक द सेकंड रिएक्शन इज कि अच्छा ये वैसा प्रोडक्ट है जो 1 करोड़ वाला AIF को ही अवेलेबल था, अच्छा चलो करते हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज द सेकंड रिएक्शन. द थर्ड पार्ट विच वी वांट टू स्पेंड 1 hour ऑन, दैट व्हाट विल इट डू फॉर योर पोर्टफोलियो, वहाँ तक तो क्लाइंट को पहुँचने में 2-3, like even I'm sure आप लोगों के सबके साथ भी होगा, it takes 2-3 conversation to get down to the point कि what all does this SIF hold as a holding, and what does it mean in terms of how your portfolio can look like not today, 3 years from now. So I think first दो question तो यही थे, अच्छा देगा कितना. अच्छा secondly, ये वो वाला product है जो मैंने देखा है न्यूज़ में कि 1 करोड़ का अब 10 लाख हो गया मिनिमम, चलो अब तो करते.
Okay, Ashish, when you first talked about the product, when you mentioned SIF for the first time with your first investor, what do you recall?
So, Prem, in our case, our investor, so we don't go to investors directly, we go through our distributors, right? Now, so there are two kind of reactions. One is, चल अब तो 30-35 रिटर्न मिलेगा. Potentially मुझे तो बहुत रिटर्न मिल सकता है, क्योंकि डेरिवेटिव्स द वे पीपल ऑपरेट is कि यार इसमें तो आई कैन टेक हाई रिस्क हाई रिटर्न. That was one kind of a reaction. The other was यार ये म्यूचुअल फंड वालों को डेरिवेटिव्स में क्यों पढ़ने का यार. Right, so we have built this last 25-30 years. The entire industry has spent talking about long only products, stay invested. कि अब आपको derivatives क्यों करना है? And very small number of people were there कि यार चल who had some understanding about derivatives कि it can actually do a great risk management and it can be a fantastic risk management tool for your portfolio. So these are the initial sort of reactions. Yeah, not so great.
Okay. Shrikant, do you remember the first conversation you had with your first client about SIF? What was it?
As a distributor, I was absolutely very thrilled. More the messier, it's good. More confusion to the client, the better for me. As a distributor, that was the point. But as
To add more value.
Yeah.
Simplifying things.
yes, yes.
Okay.
As a client, it was very simple. मैं उनको बता रहा था कि म्यूचुअल फंड जैसा ट्रांसपेरेंसी है लेकिन AIF जैसा फ्रीडम है. So it was like what Dipesh told. One of the things which I told was पहले सिर्फ 2 गाड़ियाँ था. One was Maruti, one other was Mercedes. There are no vehicle in between. This will fill that gap. तो आपको क्रेटा चाहिए, इनोवा चाहिए. It was not there in the market. SIF will do that.
Okay.
So it will give the transparency and returns of mutual fund, the flexibility of mutual fund, लेकिन with the freedom of AIF, so that you can get that AIF का जो 1 crore का जरूरत नहीं है, even 10 lakh should be enough. So it's actually very easy to sell SIF if you understand it and if you know how to pitch it.
Okay. Okay. Now, I just wanted to ask you. He says that one of the first reaction his client had was कितना देगी. आपका क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा उन्होंने?
If you remember, SIF was launched when the market was really down. अब क्वेश्चन मेरा जो जवाब मिला वो अलग था कि will it protect in the down market?
Will it protect in the down?
Because अभी they had seen the up market. Now they are more worried कि will it protect my capital? Because they had seen 22% return, 18% CAGR, and suddenly now they are seeing 11%, 12%. So they were more interested now in protecting. So for me, that was the thing. कि will it protect in the जब market गिरेगा? And it was from there the conversation took it over.
Okay.
So in fact, we at Swiggy, we try to pitch it as safety first product.
Okay.
ये फ्लेक्सी कैप जैसा ही रिटर्न देगा लेकिन आपको नींद दे देगा.
Okay.
नींद ज़्यादा आएगा.
Okay. Great. Okay. These things. When your clients were talking about it, were they excited? Were they nervous? Or were they confused? Or were they indifferent?
So obviously जब सुबह कोई उठता है तो ये नहीं सोचता कि I want to invest my money.
In an SIF.
Yeah, especially in SIF. But I think there was a lot of media coverage. So people definitely were, and we obviously are also a distributor first platform. But most of the queries that were coming were from clients who had slightly larger portfolios and who have been in the markets for some time. And I would say they were curious. I would not say they were indifferent or excited. Definitely not excited.
Curious. That's a good state for the client to be in. Curiosity to होना चाहिए. Indifferent तो खत्म है. Yeah. Ashish, what do you have to say to that?
No, absolutely. So I would definitely agree. Indifference was not there for sure, but curiosity और थोड़ा confusion और थोड़ा डर कि यार ये हमने पूरी जिंदगी लोगों को बोला है भाई आपको लॉन्ग ओनली करना है,
लॉन्ग ओनली करना,
और हमने लोगों को डेरिवेटिव्स करने से मना किया है. क्योंकि पिछले 4 साल से हम रिपोर्ट देख रहे हैं सेबी की 90% लोगों ने डेरिवेटिव से पैसा गवा दिया. अब आप ये मेरे को बोल रहे हो करने के लिए, राइट? सो आई थिंक so we know this, right? I mean, we understand that derivatives can be one of the best ways to manage the risk in the portfolio, but that is not what most investors actually understand, right? So that is where a lot of work we have to do as a distribution house or as an industry. ये product करता क्या है? Which is what we have done over last 1 year.
Okay. Net, your clients, are they excited? Are they curious? Are they indifferent?
Client will not be excited.
Or
not be excited. We have to create that excitement.
Okay.
I told them ये IPL का impact player है.
ये IPL का
impact player. So depending on the market, we will send a bowler or a batsman. So depending on the market, we will go for an hybrid long shot or an equity long shot or a stop and.
Okay.
So because of the impact player thing, तो हमको protection भी मिल सकता है and हमको ज़्यादा return भी मिल सकता है.
Okay.
So it is up to you to pitch the right product.
Okay.
If you are not able to pitch the right product, then it doesn't make sense at all. Whether SIF will come or another 10 products will come. You need to get that conviction.
Okay.
You have got the conviction, it's very easy to sell.
Okay. However, your efforts paid off over the last few months. Now, what do you think your clients think about SIFs after you've been educating them, after you've been clarifying what this is? Abhi?
Yeah. So I am been very consistent in educating them. So whatever I share on the radio, I share to them on the group. And whatever I write articles, I try to do as much education as possible. In fact, our job at Srikavi, which I think all of you should do, is we should educate them so much that they should be able to go and educate the public.
Okay.
SIF is so good. Mutual fund is so good.
And they should act as
Yeah,
brand ambassador.
So for that, you should understand कि SIF कितना easy है. So you should understand. It should be like you are understanding your mother. You can never understand your wife, but you can understand your mother. So you should be able to understand SIF like that. You should be able to understand now the way you understand mutual fund, right? You are able to understand mutual fund. Why? Because you are deeply into that. So get that love into that. When you get that love into that, you will be able to understand. Don't look at SIF के exam है. That exam, all those things is for namesake, for you to get that certification done. But main thing is understand कि how do I pitch this to the client. ये client, अभी when you go to a lens card or some this one, they will not give you just a spectacle. They will look at the power कितना है. How much is the power and then give the right lens to you. So like that, you need to understand कि client को कौन सा ज़रूरत है, whether he needs an SIF at all or not. First you decide that. Then you give SIF. Just because there is a SIF, don't give SIF. So first you understand that, then it's very easy. So SIF is one of the weapons in our kitty. One more awzar in our weapon, that's all.
Okay. Now, Ashish, what are your distribution partners telling you about the feedback that they're getting from their clients about SIF? Is there a lot of excitement or what is it?
Actually, see what has happened is over last couple of months, there is a huge amount of excitement in media, right? Be it social media or mainstream media. Now, for many of our distributors, those investors are coming and asking them, "Ki, what is this product all about? I heard about this in paper by some influencer. What is it going to do for my portfolio?" So that is one. Number two, see, we have been very excited about it from day one. So from day one, we have done a lot of work around educating our distributors ki by how it can add massive value to you and your investors' portfolio. See, so Prem, one very important thing which we would like to do is focus big time on products that can deliver risk-adjusted returns, which is what it can do. So I may not get very excited about PMS or AIF, but we got really excited about SIF. Right? And that is the conviction which we gave them from the late start.
Okay. So, this thing, do you remember any questions that your client asked about SIF other than kitna return degi?
I mean, questions, as we all know, most of the investors are not very, unless they spent a lot of time, they're not very sophisticated. The questions were around that line only. I think similar questions, ki derivatives, why do we need derivatives?
Yeah.
Does it make my life more risky? Right? Does it mean? But I think what has happened in last 8 months is that, for example, now we have a clear, the fund manager said that my fund is arbitrage plus, and they walk the talk. So if you look at last 7-month data, Nifty is down 8% and some of the long short hybrid are at up 4.5%. So that is what is actually, because in our experience, I'll actually take the question that you asked him as well, that when we initially launched distribution on SIF, we saw initially a lot of enthusiasm, and we did almost, I think, 200 exam passing during those days. And then it lulled a bit. क्योंकि अरे क्या है समझ नहीं आ रहा, क्लाइंट क्वेरीज भी नहीं आ रही. बट अगर आप देखोगे अब क्लाइंट क्वेरीज बहुत बढ़ गए हैं SIFs में, बिकॉज the products have actually walked the talk. So where they have been able to deliver what they said, and they've been able to deliver it in a market which was choppy, where people lost a little bit of capital. And that is why the queries on the product have actually increased now compared to 4 months back. But I think otherwise questions have been very similar.
Okay.
And especially the March fall actually helped SIF.
Okay.
That was the March fall was the one which made SIF really attractive to even distributors.
Okay. So
Because now we understood that it really काम करता है.
Okay. Great. ठीक है. In 1 or 2 sentences, if I were to ask you to convince a client to invest in SIF, what would these 1 or 2 sentences be?
तो आपको फ्लेक्सी कैप रिटर्न मिलेगा, विदाउट ट्रम्प जो भी करने दो आपको नींद आएगा.
Okay.
That was the big dialogue I tell.
Okay.
ट्रम्प जो भी करेगा आपको डरने का जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay.
You can buy even on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday वो जैसे भी बोलेगा no problem.
Mm.
You can one fund if you want that one.
Mm.
But it is not a mutual fund. Mutual fund flexi cap जैसा ही equity long short fund है. That is the fund.
Okay.
So we need to talk in their language.
Mm.
You can't tell के Lang straddle करता है.
See.
That will
They can't say.
straddle, strategy, all those things. Even I don't understand. So how can मैंने exam के लिए कर दिया. But I can't. If I don't understand, how can I tell my clients? So simplify, simplify, simplify.
Okay. Okay. What would be the simple one or two sentences that you would tell your distribution partners to tell their clients?
So what we do, Premier, is keep, boss, if you are, so today you are operating only in a very small field,
Mm.
right? With SIF, you are able to operate the entire market,
Mm.
falling market, rising market, sideways market. And number two, what we also tell them is a bit that SIFs as a product can help you get rich slightly slowly,
Mm.
but steadily, and will help you ensure that you stay there.
Mm. You stay there. Okay. Okay. So that's a very important point that he's made. It will help you to create wealth and retain it.
Exactly.
So that's the important thing because, and how is that being made possible in SIFs? Why do you think SIFs can make this claim?
I think they, of course, have walked the talk. You can see data also. 6 months, 8 months back, we didn't have data. Now we have had the data. In fact, I asked that question to clients also that, wealth creation is a journey which will have its up and downs.
Mm.
Like when we go to a dentist, we know कि दर्द तो होगा.
Mm.
But would you rather go to a dentist जहाँ पे कम दर्द हो, right? So SIF is a bit like that. It can smoothen your return profile while giving you less bumps on the road.
Mm.
And I believe, I think I really like how our AMCs are shaping up because अगर आप देखो, they have focused so much on investor experience in this product that they have not gone on the aggressive side because obviously some investors want that aggressive side also to come, that please make me money, double money, create extra alpha because you can short in a falling market and all of that. But I think AMCs have prioritized that, okay, let's give investors a great experience because if the investors give a great experience, only then the category of SIF will actually get built. Otherwise, we'll go through a phase where people might just fall out of the category. So yeah, I think it's
Building credibility.
Totally.
Okay. So that making your job a lot easier. Okay. This thing you were talking about asset allocation and all that. Where does SIF fit into it as an asset allocation, as a product in the asset allocation of your clients? Is it a core product? Is it a satellite? Or is it more like an insurance policy? What is it like?
I mean, depends on portfolio size.
Okay.
And depends on your life stage. अगर आप 50 साल के हो और आपका portfolio 2 crore है, तो I think it can become a core also. It can be 20% of your portfolio.
Okay.
But if you are a 30-year-old still building portfolio and fine with all the ups and downs that equity markets can take you through, maybe SIFs are not really
Not meant for you?
Not meant.
Unless and until that was the point which was made by Dipesh, I think, that unless and until the client is of a certain size, हम लोग को नहीं करना चाहिए, concentration risk ज़्यादा हो जाता है. And other than that, you feel if it is a piece of a larger size, it can be both core or satellite.
Sure, yeah. And only problem is SIFs, it's hard to figure out that you have to be really, you can't go like category. Like, for example, mutual funds, we understand flexi cap.
Yeah.
In SIFs, you have to go at a product level because it's not true to label. So that is the only, I would say, complication. Otherwise, I mean, we have started to see that in larger portfolios, SIFs are taking up 10-15% of allocation, and that allows to deliver that 8-9% return or 7-9% kind of return profile with, without any, without too much up and down. So I believe it can become, it has the potential to become core in large portfolios.
Okay. Ashish, he believes that for large investors, it has the potential of becoming a core allocation. What is your view on this?
So definitely, and I think I'll tell you one very interesting thing which what I found many of our advisors who are SIF certified are doing. वो क्या करना प्रेम भाई, see over last 5-6 years, a lot of mass affluent or retail portfolios have become equity heavy, right? So small cap भरा हुआ है, mid cap भरा हुआ है, flexi cap भरा हुआ है. So now they are taking this product as a portfolio correction tool of sorts, right? Because you already have a let's say your entire mutual fund portfolio 60, 70, 80% is into equity oriented categories, heavy equity oriented categories. Why don't you look at this product which can give you protection if something happens? This I'm talking specifically about hybrid, which are more on the, which are non-arbitrage hybrid, right? Or equity oriented long shots.
Okay.
So that is one thing which is being really working well for many of our distributors.
Shrikant, what has been your experience? How are you recommending? How are you positioning this product? Is it a core allocation or is it a satellite allocation?
As the CAMS data said, I think nearly 30% of the investment came those who never invested in MF. So it doesn't mean कि सिर्फ उसका 2 crore है तब मैं SIF दूंगा. Cannot be like that.
Okay.
You cannot go by the book.
Okay.
Okay. क्योंकि मेरे पास just umbrella है, I can just can't open it. Rain आया तो बारिश आया तो I will use the umbrella.
Okay.
Today not. So you need to understand client को चाहिए क्या.
Okay.
The client need this.
Okay.
The client wants very safe returns. बिल्कुल safe. Don't go to SIF, go to arbitrage.
Okay.
But if the client wants safe, थोड़ा इधर उधर चलेगा, but I want थोड़ा ज़्यादा return and he has got good sufficient time, give a hybrid debt to equity. And उसको equity return चाहिए, but नींद आना चाहिए, then equity long shot rather than a mutual fund. Because then SIF will be better than mutual fund. So if it is debt, then mutual fund will be better than SIF. But if it is equity, then I think SIF would be better than debt. You need to understand कि कहाँ client को fit होता है. You need to understand which client needs what kind of investments.
Okay.
As the data said, 30% of investors came to SIF without going to MF. Now, worldwide, the trend is first a client will invest in MF, then he will go to equity. COVID changed that. Now client go directly to equity, lose the money, then come to MF. That's what is happening. So now,
Good work.
we need to be ahead of the curve. We need to be ahead of the curve. We need to make sure कि पहले MF आएगा, बाद में SIF आएगा. That cannot be the thing. We need to convert them into SIF because एक ही बार आपको बड़ा ticket भी मिल रहा है. They're getting the big ticket also. And as Nishant was telling, market गिरा तो भी यही हम जाता ही रहेगा ऊपर because this one is there. So you are so in fact I am telling many of my clients and many of the MFD friends कि जैसे SIF mutual fund सही है, AMFI got to know after 20 years. Within 5 years, AMFI will himself will come and tell SIF will be ऐसा ही
Okay.
because it is that good.
Okay.
In fact, I am expecting SIF AUM to beat the mutual fund in 10-12 years.
Okay.
Till that big.
You expect it to be, and mind you, mutual funds is at 82 lakh crores today.
SIF will beat that.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
beat that.
Okay.
So,
कितने साल में predict कर रहे हो?
5th November, 25th June,
Oh.
I think 4 o'clock, please note down this and we can meet.
2026.
Yeah,
अभी कब
we can.
कब ये बात करेंगे?
2026.
2036 में 10 years में.
It can be,
चलो.
it can happen.
Okay.
Because now
Okay.
more and more people are investing and more people are ready to take that extra risk
Okay.
without that पैसा गिरने का risk.
Okay.
पैसा नहीं गिरना चाहिए, that kind of risk people are ready to take
Okay.
and they will come to SIF.
Okay.
And when they come, we should be ready.
Okay. Now, अभी बात चल रहा है about the relative size of the two categories, mutual funds and an SIF. How many of you believe that SIFs will turn into a major category which is, let's say, I would say even if it is 2-3 lakh crores in the next 5-10 years, that would be okay, great. Okay.
And CAMS data itself tell within 3 years it will become 5 lakh crores.
Okay.
CAMS is telling this.
Data नहीं है वो. That's
The projection.
हाँ,
In 3 years, it is telling they will become 5 lakhs.
yeah, it's a,
So, all of you, you have to do SIF by copying or कुछ भी करो जैसे पास हो जाओ. Because banks are not selling. This is a golden opportunity for you. Then, once the bank comes, you will not be able to do it. This is a golden opportunity for you to get all those FD money, all the debt money, all that arbitrage money. This is the golden opportunity. Please do it.
okay.
Please do it and make sure that you are really there.
Many bank employees are not able to clear the exam. So.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll come to something which is a very essential part. कोई भी चीज़ नया होता है, clients को fear होता है, anxiety होता है. There's a pushback. What are the 2-3 objections that you get? Aditya, which are the most commonly heard objections that you faced?
The biggest is what Matru bhai was also saying कि मेरे portfolio को ज़रूरत क्या है इसकी?
Okay.
क्योंकि obviously what job can it do for me, that part was, and I think that is the biggest objection. Second objection is कि यार छोटे चेक से शुरू नहीं कर सकते क्या?
Okay.
कि 10 लाख से क्यों शुरू करना है? बट ऐसा मतलब दैट आई वुड से स्मॉलर ऑब्जेक्शन. बड़ा सबसे बड़ा ऑब्जेक्शन तो आई थिंक यही है कि आप मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में इसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? अगर हमारे पास ऑलरेडी म्यूचुअल फंड है, हम इतने सालों से आप हमें कह रहे हो म्यूचुअल फंड सही है, पीएमएस की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, एफ की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो ये कैटेगरी को तो वो जो समझाना पड़ता है फिर वही कि आपको बेटर नींद आएगी रात में, तो वो चीज़, और वो पहले क्यों नहीं था वो समझाना पड़ता है कि यार वो पहले क्योंकि आर्बिट्रा डेरिवेटिव्स का एक्सपोजर नहीं था म्यूचुअल फंड्स के पास. तो आई थिंक इजी हैंडलेबल ऑब्जेक्शन.
Okay. Ashish, what are the more common objections that your partners are telling you कि हमको ये सुनने को आ रहा है?
सो एक तो ये है कि यार ऑलरेडी इतने सारे फंड आते हैं, इतने सारे एनएफओ चल रहे, 2000 स्कीम्स हैं मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में, मेरा पोर्टफोलियो ठीक ठाक चल ही रहा है, क्या करूँगा? वाई डू यू वांट टू ऐड दिस? सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द कॉमन ऑब्जेक्शन. एक बट दूसरा बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन बहुत बड़ा है कि भाई चलो एसआईएफ आ गया, डेरिवेटिव्स आ गया, अब तो मुझे खूब इसमें, अब तो फंड मैनेजर खूब इसमें वो रिस्क ले सकता है, खूब रिटर्न मिल सकता है. फ्रैंकली दैट इज़ वेट वी आर फाइटिंग अ लॉट कि भाई व्हाट कैन. So for me, the biggest challenge is more than objection. Right? The biggest issue is the understanding of what a derivative portfolio in this 75-25 construct can do for you.
Yeah.
Right? What does AMCs bring to the table? What kind of different strategies are there? वो बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. ऑब्जेक्शन का तो फिगर आउट हो जाता है, बट मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग फ्रैंकली इज अ बिग इशू.
Okay. Okay.
I think that's the case. It's not about the objection. Objection nahi hai because we are the advisors. You have to listen to me. Otherwise,
Okay.
kick them out.
Okay.
So it's not the objection. It's the confusion. It's the clarity.
Yeah.
ये मुझे ये क्यों चाहिए? Is it really necessary, Srikanth?
Okay.
That's number one. And number two, 10 lakh एक ही बार. So that one question is there. If that is handled correctly, then it will be really good. And of course, we have to tell them 10 lakh एक ही fund है right now. But बाद में it can be split in different funds. So you need to tell it rightly that 10 lakhs is per AMC. It is not per fund. Of course, एक बार तो first point 10 lakh देना है. Then as suppose say Dyna hybrid equity long short है. So in the X top 100 you can give 50,000, you can give 1 lakh. So you need to simplify and tell them कि कर सकते हैं. That's number one. And number two, you need to understand कि pitching कैसे होता है.
Okay.
So main thing is the pitching part. If you understand the pitching part, everything is taken care of.
ये कैन आई ऐड ऑन टू इट?
Yeah, please.
जो श्रीकांत भाई ने बोला, सो एक्चुअली हमारे एक एडवाइजर है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है, उनका एक क्लाइंट है 500 करोड़ एंड 90% ऑफ दैट पोर्टफोलियो इज डायरेक्ट विद अ बैंक, 10% उनके पास था. दैट 50 करोड़ AUM फ्रॉम अ सिंगल क्लाइंट बिकेम 100 करोड़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ SIFs.
Brilliant.
ये जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है वो SIFs बेटर समझा पाया क्लाइंट को वर्सेस देन देयर एक्सिस बैंक हु वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ मैनेजिंग दैट मनी. तो मुझे जस्ट अभी याद आया जो आपने बोला, क्योंकि वो है आपके पास सबके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी अभी कि अगर आप, क्योंकि कुछ क्लाइंट्स ऐसे हैं जो अभी तक SIF समझे नहीं, बट उनको सोशल मीडिया पे एक्सपोजर दिख रहा है और उनका कोई और एडवाइजर या क्लाइंट या कोई और नहीं बता पाएगा. अगर आप समझ गए, सो दैट AUM एंड that because she was very conservative with that 500 crore, you want to preserve your capital more. And this distributor was able to explain ki why this is, and just that one single conversation was able to actually double her AUM from single client from 50 crore to 100 crore because of that SIF conversation.
Okay. One question that I wanted to ask, because I heard some of the couple of speakers, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि ये आर्बिट्राज का पैसा आएगा, ये XYZ का पैसा आएगा. ये नया पैसा आएगा कि ये एग्जिस्टिंग पैसा लगेगा? What do you think?
So
Is it an addition or is it a replacement?
yeah, so हमारे 350 लाख करोड़ हमारे फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स हैं और हम साल का 30-40 लाख करोड़ नया सेव कर रहे हैं. तो हमारे पास इतना पैसा है हमारे हाउस होल्ड्स के पास कि नया भी आएगा, पुराना भी आएगा.
Okay.
इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू से कि सिर्फ पुराना ही आएगा. ऑब्वियसली अगर आप फैमिली ऑफिस के पास जाओगे तो उन्होंने काफ़ी सारा आर्बिट्राज आइडिया से निकाल के आर्बिट्राज प्लस में किया है, बट द इन्वेस्टर्स दैट वी सर्व, वहाँ पे बोथ काइंड्स ऑफ मनी विल कम. न्यू मनी विल ऑल्सो कम एंड सम रीबैलेंसिंग विल ऑल्सो हैपन.
Okay.
आई थिंक हम सबको रीबैलेंसिंग तो इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती हम सबको, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट आवर AUM टू कम डाउन. सो वी टिपिकली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स टिपिकली विल डू रीबैलेंसिंग थ्रू न्यू मनी. तो हमने भी यही देखा है कि जो भी SIFs ऐड हो रहे हैं पोर्टफोलियो में, दैट इज जस्ट ग्रोइंग क्लाइंट पोर्टफोलियो. इट्स नॉट रियली सो मच मनी मूविंग फ्रॉम वन स्कीम टू अनदर.
Okay. Ashish, is it new money, fresh money, or is it the existing mutual fund money which is coming into SIFs or which will come into SIFs?
देखिए, सो एज ऑफ नाउ वी हैव लिमिटेड डेटा एंड अभी वो ऐसे पता चलता नहीं, बट इन व्हाट द व्हेन वी स्पीक टू पीपल, जो हमको समझ आ रहा है, जो हम बोल रहे हैं लोगों में कि भाई 200 लाख करोड़ रुपए आपका एफडीज में पड़ा हुआ है, राइट? एज यू मेंशन 350 लाख ओवरऑल फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स. So that is one way where a lot of money will come from. So FD, thank you. So a lot of money will come from a huge amount of fixed income which is there, which is FDs etc. उसके अलावा स्टॉक मार्केट इंडिया में आप किसी का भी, इंडिया में एक्चुअली क्या है तो हर जगह ही है, किसी का भी आप स्टॉक पोर्टफोलियो उठा लो, उसका जो एक्सआर होगा पोर्टफोलियो का, हाउ मेनी इफ यू थिंक कि वो पोर्टफोलियो का एक्सआर बैंक की एफडी को भी बीट करेगा, राइट? So that is another money which will come in. उसके अलावा इंडिया it is where India is a unique country कि जहाँ पे हमारा कैश मार्केट और डेरिवेटिव्स मार्केट जो मार्केट है वो 300-400 गुना है मेरे ख्याल से, which is like way off the charts as compared to the entire world. वहाँ जब लोगों को समझ आ गया यार डेरिवेटिव्स में भाई हाथ डालने से पैसा बनने नहीं वाला है, that money should also come to SIFs only. So I think money from your FDs, money from equity markets, stock, and money from your people investing in people taking exposure to derivatives directly. Because if you think about it today, other than AIF, there is no way to take a professional derivative exposure, which is what SIFs bring to the table. So massive amount of new money will come to, which is why Shrikant bhai is saying it can become bigger than mutual fund.
Okay, Shrikant.
So I will ask them question. Okay. So how many of you are doing the liquid fund which you can redeem anytime? Okay. So if you are not doing, then you are making a big mistake, because every 1 lakh rupees your client is losing 10 rupees per day, right? Now, when you take out money from the bank, will the bank's assets go up or come down? Come down, right? So bank should make sure money will not go out, right? But why are they having ATMs? Why are they having ATMs? Because when the ATM is there, you can take out the money. And because I can take out the money anytime, that's why I'm putting more money in the bank. So you just remember, if you are not able to take out the money anytime, you can take out the money only by the check and only once a day. Will you keep the money you are keeping in the bank right now? So give the clients a taste of redemption. Give the clients a taste of taking out money. So liquid funds is one of the easiest way. You will not get any brokerage, but do it, right? So when you get that, that's the first entry level. Every single client of yours, every single client should have a liquid fund and which they can redeem anytime. That's first one. Number two, you can check any client, 99.9% of the client will have an FD. They will have an FD. This SIF is a golden opportunity for you to get that. You are always creeping, no, Aditya came 10 years back, that's why his AUM is 100 crores. Ashish father was also MFD, that's why his AUM is 100 crores. This is your golden chance to beat all of them. This is your golden chance to beat Shrikant, Sudhindra, Deepesh. Golden chance for you to get that FD money and cross all of us. So if you are not making money now, then don't complain to SEBI, don't complain to anyone, don't complain. When you go to heaven or maybe hell, wherever you go, God will only point the finger only at you, because you made the mistake. He has given you an opportunity, a golden opportunity, once in a lifetime opportunity. Like India has got an Amrit Kal. This is MFD's Amrit Kal. You have to do SIF. If you are not doing SIF, then you are losing big time. You are losing big time. So remember this, 25th June 2026, 4 p.m, Cafe Mutual Conference, Bangalore.
Okay, chalo, great. I wanted to ask the audience a question. Do you think SIFs will get some money from the existing mutual funds? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Do you think SIFs will attract their fresh money which has not been invested in mutual funds? Okay. Do you think SIFs can cut into the AIF category? AIF category, as you heard through the day, category 3 may, particularly those who follow long short strategy, is somewhat closer to the SIF category. So do you think they will get some of that money also? Okay.
It's actually a big yes.
Okay.
You have to tell a big yes. Most of the money from AIF will come to SIF. That's for sure. Of course, you have not done SIF exam, that will come to me.
Well,
Yeah. Great. You both will share.
okay.
Can help clearing the exam.
Okay. Now, I want you to share one tip with all three of you on what is the one thing which has worked very well in being able to convince the client to buy SIFs. I want you to give them one tip, one easily actionable tip.
Yeah, easily is मैंने SIF एग्जाम किया है, so that's not the easy one. Most important tip is, sir, आप बैंक में जाइए, check with them whether they can give SIF. They will not be able to give. Why, you know, उसमें brokerage बहुत कम है, that's why वो नहीं देते. मैं आपका, I am thinking about you, that's why I am giving SIF. Please take SIF.
Yes, right.
I mean, this is the way I pitch, but it's a fact. No bank does it. You have to be very clear and tell the client, sir, ये SIF करना है. The exam is very difficult. If that kind of a difficult thing we have done, that means you can understand out of the project, project and concept is, and people who do SIF are very specialized. You are dealing with a very special person. So if you want very special returns, you have to invest in SIF. So it's a way of pitching and making yourself become big. You have to become. You can't otherwise. You can be just another MFD. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. They should think, you know who my advisor is? That's what my clients tell about me. Will your clients tell about you? You have to make them do that. You have to do like that. So SIF is very easy to sell. It's up to you to sell.
आपको ठीक से position करो.
Yes, very important. Abhi, from airport to hotel you came, right? So when he came, the bus has to stop in Mekri Circle, has to stop in Hebbal, has to stop in Vidhan Soda, has to stop in Majestic and then come here. Even if there is a traffic jam, they have to come. But if Prem, instead of coming in a BMTC bus, if he had come in a cab, would you have not reached faster? Why? Because if there is jam, the driver will see in the GPS and take another route and वहाँ से आएगा. SIF will do that.
Okay.
Mutual fund can't change the route. They have to stick to the route. They can't change. SIF can change the route.
Okay. So
That's
a
why
very good
you will
point.
get same returns but with less tension. There's no worry about Trump.
So SIFs have a lot more flexibility. I think that's the more important point that Shrikant has made. So a point well taken. Ashish, what is the one thing that you would tell this audience? Which
This is what I tell to our distributors. Why? मेरे father, he is a conservative investor. There उनको मैंने हाइब्रिड लॉन्ग शॉट में बोला आप इन्वेस्ट करो, आपके लिए ठीक रहेगा, टैक्स एडजस्टेड सब मिला के आपके लिए ठीक रहेगा. तो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये. फॉर मी आई एम एन इक्विटी इन्वेस्टर, बट फिर भी मार्केट नीचे आता है तो दर्द तो बहुत होता है, राइट? सो फॉर मी आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग इन इक्विटी SIF. फॉर माई फादर आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग इन हाइब्रिड SIF. आप भी ट्राई करके देख लीजिए.
ठीक है. So giving your own example.
Yeah.
So,
Try to sell to your mother-in-law.
walk the talk.
Yeah.
What?
Try to sell your mother-in-law. If she invests, then that's the best example for you to give all the clients.
Okay.
कि देखो मेरा सासू ने डाली है तो आप भी डाल सकते हो.
Okay. So Ashish, walk the talk. Okay, great.
I think one CEO, he told, it's a serious thing, he told that he convinced his mother-in-law to invest
Okay.
50 crores in one SIF.
Okay.
I think, I don't want to take the name of the CEO. So if he is able,
I'd like to meet him. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mother-in-law is worth 50.
I wish I had that mother-in-law.
I had that mother-in-law. Aditya. What about you? One tip you need to give this audience.
Before I even launched it on the platform, the first investment I did was myself.
Okay. So walk
Because
the
I
talk.
wanted to get convinced ये सही category है और हमें सबको पता है, you know, today mutual fund distributors are 20 lakh crore in AUM, 50% of the total industry's AUM. So हमें पहले अपने आप को convince करना है that this is a product, like see so much attendance, so much enthusiasm, but if you see number of people even applying for exam, it's actually very, you know, it's still very small number. So I think first we have to believe. हम believe करेंगे तो client को believe करने में का ही तो हमारा काम है. That's what we have sort of grown up and, you know, that's what our career is for. So I would say that first you should write your own check.
Okay. Walk the talk and
then
then
you-
develop conviction, and you develop conviction by acing the exam. Okay. Fair enough. Now we've heard a lot of this thing, and now I want to open the floor to the audience. For the ones who have already talked about SIF to their clients, what is it one story that you would like to share? Anyone would like to share? When about what worked for them or what did not work for them, or what objection they heard from their clients? And no one tried here?
anyone who has done SIF exam but अभी तक नहीं दिया है, you have not given any SIF application at all. Why? So you will be able to give that answer better. Why you are able to not give? Mike. So you can introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Diya Rataria, and I'm a second gen MFT. And I mean, I cleared the exam, but we were in that phase that wait and watch. So we did speak to some of the AMCs, and we know the products that were there. But I think now last month we've been getting more clarity on this, and this summit also really helped. So going forward, we can start with it.
Great.
I cleared it last year actually, and I cleared it in one attempt, so it was fine.
Yeah, congratulations.
So as I said, the March month, the fall in March month, 11.5%, that was a very good thing for SIF, because we saw many SIF funds, they fell only 3 or 4%. So they were able to protect the downside. And again in April, when the market was flat, they actually gave good positive returns. So SIF did work both ways.
Okay.
So SIF does make sense, and those 2 months were our actual proof that they do make sense.
Okay.
I think the certification is really making life difficult. और frankly, इतना certification हमको कौन सा जाके खुद derivative strategy बनानी है. So I think
It should be. Otherwise, वो पूरा
नहीं आप so I think certification होना चाहिए.
That's why.
होना चाहिए. ये certification होना चाहिए, but it should be customized to what we are offering. See, जो अभी जो certification है ना, वो बनाओ उसमें interest rate derivatives, your exchange rate derivatives, currency derivatives, most of them are not going to be utilized. और वो बनाए किसी और segment के लिए. यहाँ पे we are distributing products on mutual fund companies where there is a huge amount of risk management systems, processes are in place, right? So therefore, in our understanding, certification, something has to happen, which I think is happening, which will really increase law, which I think which will really help a lot of people in going a bit more aggressively on it.
Okay. Now, along the way, I guess maybe some mistakes have been made. What is it that you would like to share the audience? Which is one mistake they should not make
On SIFs?
on SIFs, on selling SIFs, talking about SIFs?
तो पहला तो यही है कि डोंट पिच इट एज कि यार ये AIF 1 करोड़ का होता था और ये 10 लाख का है, आपको खरीद लेना चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट इज सो जस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिंग दैट label that what used to take 1 crore is now available at 10 lakh rupees. I think that defeats.
What's wrong with it?
No, because वो आपकी इमेज को, because आप अपने इन्वेस्टर को बोल रहे हो कि आपके पास 1 करोड़ रुपए नहीं थे, अब 10 लाख रुपए तो है कम से कम, right? So it's not a good message.
Okay. So you're asking him to
Yeah. You
basically sir बोल रहा है कि तुम अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते, अब
correct.
अफोर्ड कर.
आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हो, तो वो गलत मैसेज है. हम इन्वेस्टर्स को हमें वो मैसेज नहीं देना चाहिए. आई वुड से दैट इज वन बिग मिस्टेक, एंड आई वुड से दैट इज प्रॉब्ली द ओनली मिस्टेक. सेकंड मिस्टेक ऑफ कोर्स आई बिलीव इज एग्जाम का डर. डर के आगे जीत है इज ट्रूली आई बिलीव इन दिस केस that it's a difficult exam, but it's not impossible. And as he said, they are helping, we are helping, so exam clear हो जाएगा. तो मुझे लगता है exam clear करना is the second mistake where we are sort of losing out on that conversation. Otherwise, I would say, again, I just all the AMCs have done a stellar job in ensuring that the first launches are more conservative, and the investor experience is amazing. So actually हमें डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. AMCs are doing an amazing job with SIF.
Okay. Ashish, what is the one mistake that they should not make?
So I think taxation benefit is one of the important parameters, but थोड़ा मैंने देखा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस हो रहा है टैक्सेशन के लिए कि चलो SIF में आपका टैक्सेशन काफ़ी हैवी है, यहाँ पे आपका 1 साल में टैक्सेशन कम लगेगा. टैक्सेशन इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट टू मच फोकस कि यार just because you invest on the basis of tax arbitrage is something where I think we have to avoid. I mean, we are party to this, right? I mean, when we spoke about it, we spoke about कि आपके 4 या 5 benefit है,
Okay.
wherein taxation was one of them. केवल इसके लिए करना is not right.
Okay.
So SIF is not a magic portion. It's not a magic pill. It's not that it will give all the diseases. There will be accidents. So you need to be ready for that. So please note that, like mutual fund, how do we give mutual fund? We don't give mutual fund for all the fund, everything, right? So in SIF, when you are giving, like, learn from the AMCs. What they did, they launched first easy products, products which are safe and this one. So in SIF also, give those kind of products. Don't give directly X top 100 funds. Unless your client is really understanding, is able to digest the volatility, give normal long short funds, maybe hybrid or equity depending on the client. But X top 100, all those things, you have to be careful. For that, go with mutual fund because you can always top it up. You can have an SIP route monthly and then you can scale it up. But learn from AMCs and go slowly to begin with, and then we can, of course, play like T20 match.
Okay.
वन मोर थिंग
Yeah.
जस्ट रिमेंबर्ड कि कई बार मैंने एक चीज़ और देखी, फोर्स फिट करते हुए एसआईएफ को
Okay.
जस्ट बिकॉज आपने मैंने सर्टिफिकेशन ले लिया, मेरे कस्टमर ने पैसा बढ़ाए तो चलो एसआईएफ दे दूँ, राइट? आई मीन सम ऑफ इट आल्सो आई हैव सीन कि फोर्स फिटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं.
Okay, okay, great. That's a great this thing. So let me end the session by saying that yes, SIF is an exciting category. Clients are interested, but they need we need to explain it to them in simple terms. As far as what works in the business is one, having product knowledge yourself, having conviction, walk the talk, which I think all three of you emphasized on. So that's one great point. Yeah, there's a very, very big opportunity. And only if you pass the exam, I think passing the exam is one thing that this audience will do today. Right or wrong? हाँ? आज सब speakers ने बहुत emphasis दिया है on passing the exam. So yeah, that's very, very important. And yeah, so this is a great opportunity. We are sitting on top of a very exciting opportunity for all of us. The wonderful thing about this product category is it has the potential to work in both market upside and market downside, or even the markets are sideways. And this brings a certain stability to our business. We don't want the fortunes of our business to be tied to products which give us money only when the markets go up. We want, this will probably be able to stabilize your client portfolio and your own business portfolio. So with that, I end the discussion of the day. Thank you all for being such a wonderful audience.